Recap of previous chapter. 1. In our previous chapter we discussed
1. What is coronavirus? 2. Two other coronaviruses. 3. What is COVID-19?
In this chapter, 2, we will touch 1. What are the symptoms of COVID-19?
2. Should I go to the doctor if I have a temperature or a cough? According to the World Health Organization, the most common symptoms of COVID-19 are fever, tiredness, and a dry cough. Some patients may also have a runny nose, sore throat, nasal congestion, aches and pains or diarrhea. Some people report losing their sense of taste and or smell. About 80% of people who get COVID-19 experience a mild case, about as serious as a regular cold, and recover without needing any special treatment. About 1 in 6 people, the World Health Organization says, become seriously ill. The elderly and people with underlying medical problems like high blood pressure, heart problems, or diabetes, or chronic respiratory conditions, are at a greater risk of serious illness from COVID-19. In the UK, the National Health Service, NHS, has identified the specific symptoms to look for as experiencing either a high temperature, you feel hot to touch on your chest or back, a new continuous cough. This means you've started coughing repeatedly. As this is viral pneumonia, antibiotics are of no use. The antiviral drugs we have against flu will not work, and there is currently no vaccine. Recovery depends on the strength of the immune system. Should I go to the doctor if I have a temperature or a cough? No. In the UK, the NHS advice is now that anyone with symptoms should stay at home for at least 7 days. If you live with other people, they should stay at home for at least 14 days, to avoid spreading the infection outside the home. This applies to everyone, regardless of whether they have traveled abroad. If you get worse or your symptoms last longer than 7 days, you should go to the doctor. People will no longer be tested for the virus unless they are in hospital. Many countries have imposed travel bans and lockdown conditions in order to try and halt the spread of the virus. You should check with your local authorities for the latest advice on seeking medical assistance.